Manufacturers are West Virginia's investors, innovators, and job creators. With nearly 48,000 direct employees impacting the careers of 250,000 West Virginians, making the products you use every day, from automotive and wood manufacturing to chemical components and medicine. I'm Rebecca McPhail, and this is Made with West Virginia Pride. There's an international flair for making things with West Virginia pride right here in Weirton, West Virginia. Today we'll visit Pietro Fiorentini and learn about the high-quality gas regulators that they make for today's booming oil and natural gas industry. This Italian-based company prides itself on the safety of its employees and community. Let's have a look inside Pietro Fiorentini. Max, thanks for having us out today to Pietro Fiorentini. I'm really excited to see what you're making here in Weirton, West Virginia, and love to hear a little bit about the history of the company here in West Virginia.
Yeah, we started our adventure in West Virginia back in 2013, previously on a temporary location in Wheeling, and starting from June of 2019, we opened up this brand new facility which is 30,000 square feet on a 17 acres property. That has became our house right now and for the coming future.
So Max, we're in the beginning of the process. What's happening here? What about these components that you use?
Okay, on the other side we have our entry point where we are unloading crates from our supplier. Then after a quality control check, we are loading on these gravity racks where we have the real first in, first out concept. So they are loaded from the back and they're sliding to the front where it's going to be picked and used in production.
So first, operator 1 takes a pre-machined body from the conveyor rack and puts it into the jig. A brass filter is then fitted with an O-ring and inserted into the body. O-rings are then added to the first stage tree to form the first stage of regulation. The operator selects a green stem and adds 2 diaphragms to make a relief membrane. A spring is added to regulate the pressure through the regulator. A lid is then fastened to the regulator via 4 screws. Fittings are then installed in the regulator to allow the regulator to be attached to a pipe that the gas will flow through.
So you're making regulators for the oil and gas industry, and everything that I've understood about the company is that it's quality based. So I know you've got a big initiative here in quality. Tell us a little bit about that.
Absolutely. Our first priority, of course, is safety, and then after safety for the products that we are making, and to make sure that our workers every day go home safely, it's the quality. And for the quality concern, we are doing 100% quality check on our product, and as well some random check, picking up random products from the production lot and making sure that performance-wise and quality-wise are compliant to what is the expectation of our customer.
So with the quality station like you've shown us today, what's happening here? What are your
what is going to happen, our quality leader is going to go on production line, pick random products, bring it to the bench and make a full checkup of the whole performance, safety and quality aspect of the product, and only when this check is done is going to be a go for shipping out the daily production batch. As a part of our commitment to quality, the last part of the production is always the final check, where we are making 100% testing on all our products, making sure that they're safe to operate, they are targeting the performance required, and they're safe to use.
Max, we're really excited to see this Italian company come to West Virginia. I'd love to know why you chose our state. Can you explain that to us?
Sure. I mean, at the beginning of this process, this was 2012, 2013, we picked 5 different states as a potential location for where to create our first permanent manufacturing facility. And we create a matrix with pros and cons for every state, and based on location, access to school education, university, taxes for new industry coming in the state, relationship with the regulators and local authority. In the end, we came to the decision that the best option for us was West Virginia.
Max, it's been a great afternoon here in Weirton, looking at the plant, getting to know your people. So glad to have you and the company in West Virginia, and we look forward to working with you for years to come. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much for coming here with us today.
From the highways and the back roads, over the mountains and in the valleys, there is something made with West Virginia pride around every corner. Things you use at home and at work every single day. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you'll get to know your local manufacturers. For more information, please visit www.wvma.com. We'll see you next time.